Hi everyone, I'm Caitlin Dietrich reporting here from Florida's Space Coast in front of New Glenn's rocket factory and growing campus. Let's go. Scott, thank you for having us today. Tell us a little bit about the New Glenn rocket factory.
The campus here in Florida is about 1 million square feet. We currently have over 550 people on site, and we've been growing significantly. We've just entered the high bay, the centerpiece of the factory. Raw stock aluminum comes in one end of the factory to our south, and a rocket moves out to the north.
Take a look at this thing. It's so cool to see New Glenn's first stage like this, just mocked up.
With 180 feet, we're going to be towing something that's close to a football field in length, and it's also 23 foot in diameter, which is larger than anything flying today.
You just showed us outside some of the flight-like parts of the first stage. And this is where we're fabricating them right next door, right?
That's right. This is one of our busiest shops right now. And the team can work on both the forward face, and another part of the team can be behind on the back face. Then they'll go out and be assembled to form that forward and aft module of the New Glenn first stage. You know, these mills that we make these parts on, we're doing things on a scale that has not been done before.
It looks like we have a lot of hardware here on the floor.
Yeah, I love this part of the factory. I mean, we're building domes, we're building barrels, and now we're ready to move into the flight hardware production stage.
We're inside the dome.
So imagine we're at the top of the stage 2 tank. Below us is a full first stage and second stage New Glenn rocket, over 200 feet. And we're now entering our Composites Hub. This is where our payload fairing, one of our other big elements of New Glenn, is made. This 7-meter payload fairing offers twice the volume of anything flying today. So when you're a payload customer, when you see this, you think, I can put a huge satellite in there, or I can put a whole bunch of small to medium satellites in there and really take advantage of the capability that New Glenn brings to the mix.